Hey, Stephen Frank here with Magnolia Insurance Group. Wanted to bring you another tip to help save you money on your home and auto insurance, and that is by raising your deductible. So the deductible, of course, is how much you're going to pay out of pocket should you have to file a claim before your insurance kicks in. For instance, if you have a $250 deductible, you file a claim of a $1,000 claim, you're going to pay $250, insurance company is going to pay the other $750. If you can raise that deductible, you're actually going to pay less on your premium, so you're going to save money on your monthly premium or your annual premium. And but you have to be careful not to raise it too high because you don't want to take on too much risk financially for yourself. So you got to find that right balance of how much risk you're going to keep, how much risk you're going to transfer to the insurance company. But talk to your agent, find out, figure out how much your property is worth, and find that that comfortable balance as high as you can set that deductible. And also, a higher deductible can also help keep you from filing claims for every little thing, or being tempted to file the claims for every little thing that might go wrong with your property, every little bit of damage, and using your insurance policy just to try to help as a maintenance fund or something, because remember, every little claim you file is going to impact your rates in the long run. So if you don't have an independent agent to help you with these things, give us a call. We'd be glad to help you.